Hey guys, Rob Skiba here with another black thumb gardening tip. Yeah, I'm learning as I go. I'm trying to turn my black thumb green, but in the meantime, I'm coming up with various ideas for creating different types of raised beds and whatnot, and using things that I had on the cheap. So for instance, I had these shelves right here that I didn't really need anymore, and I thought, well, those would work out pretty good to raise it up off the ground and keep the critters out, like rabbits and stuff. And I had these buckets here, so I went to Home Depot and I got this this is a 2-foot PVC pipe and a little coupling, and this is a 10-foot PVC pipe. I believe it's a 1/2 inch, and that's 6 mil plastic right here that I put on here. I made this, got this little T adapter, made some cross braces here, and just use shipping tape to tape it together here. So this area right here gets sun all day long, and right now it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon or so. Right about 4 o'clock, the sun will be coming in this way, and that'll get full sun till about 7:30. So for plants that don't require all day sun, this is what I'm going to put here. I'm going to do some research on, you know, what plants need how much light and whatnot, and those that require partial sun or diffuse light, I'll plant there. Right now there's nothing planted there. And here's the other shelf right here. I had another shelf and in this case I didn't need the 2-foot pipe, which by the way fits perfectly in the support leg there. With the one, that's because I have two of them right there, so I can hold the 10-foot pipe. This one right here is just one 10-foot pipe without the 2-foot piece, and then of course with the zip ties, and made a cross brace. I intentionally made the cross brace longer at the top so it flares out. You can see how it flares out right there. Same thing with this one here. It's flaring at the top. This actually also protects from chemtrails, by the way, so none of that gunk will be getting into my plants. And so I've already got some stuff growing in here. Looks like they're doing pretty good, not too bad. So anyway, just some other ideas for creating raised beds on the cheap. Hope that helps.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video presentation. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and share it on your favorite social media sites. There's a lot more to come, so stay tuned and we'll see you back next time.